Hi, this is Joshua coming to you. It's in the evening here. I've just been listening to Steve Quayle, and I want you to listen to what he has to say. It might come as a shock, but you that know things intuitively, you need to prepare, because there's big changes coming. I believe we're right before Israel launching a strike in the Middle East that's going to light the Middle East fuse. So I believe they're getting ready to bring in martial law here and to bring down the internet. And because of that, you need to listen to what I have to say, and you need to download their information on the Joe Pipe technology, so that you'll be able to take it and start making practical applications, putting practical applications together. Tomorrow, the next day, I'll be working on the manual for this. There's a brother in Italy who's going to help with the graphics to get it out in that part of the country. My manual is forthcoming, and it will show you the steps to take to make a Joe Pipe, how to apply it into practical application. And I want you to listen to this, what Alex Quayle has to say, or Alex Jones and Steve Quayle. This is the part 2 of his message on the 8th of this month.
And agree, and Alex, every day they have meetings and they discuss what I talk on my show, and I'm not flattering me or you, but they want to know how much we know. And every time we tell what we know, they plan around what we're telling the people. First of all, the internet's going down. The guy said, you must tell your listeners the internet's going down.
By the way, the inventor of the internet said Sunday in BBC that it's, quote, dying because these systems by design aren't being repaired or upgraded, so they're going to claim it's a failure.
Absolutely, but let me say this too. I've gotten now multiple reports of the black box jammers being given to selected communities. Now, I don't know the communities that they expect to have the most. Black box jammer is something that will cut all radio, all television. It cuts everything, and listen, in a 12-mile radius. Okay?
So it's a wide spectrum jammer.
It's a wide spectrum jammer, and they have been handed out along with the individuals that know how to work with them. And
that's what the Russians used in Baghdad to jam Christmases.
Absolutely, but it's getting, and so people say, well, I'll just call Steve or Alex on my cell phone. No, you won't. Well, I'll just get on my landline. No, you won't. Well, I'll just get on the shortwave. No, you won't. The thing is, Alex, and this is something that I said to the gentleman that I was having a talk with. I said, so what are you doing? He said, I'm buying, and this is his words, he said, I'm buying food, I'm buying the weapons to defend my family, and he said, I'm looking for a place too, because he said,
but that's what I was going to say. What are they going to do when their own people walk off from NORAD and walk off from Northcom, and the police walk off to help their families? They're entering into foreign trip.
Okay, you heard it. This is no conjecture. This has been prophesied by prophets across the land. And you who are out there knowing, tough times are going to come to the cities. The cities are going to go into lockdown for a time. So you need to take this Joe Pipe serious technology seriously and start building it. There's no time to mess around anymore. And it's just like the man was saying, they're getting ready to declare martial law and bring in the foreign troops and bring in Rex 84 in the FEMA camps. And it's going to be for 90 days. David Terrell, God's prophet in Texas there to the world, he's seen this 15 years ago, and others have seen it since that time. And the reason why all this is happening is because the churches have gone away from the straight and narrow path, and God is going to bring forth allow a shaking to come forth to wake everybody up and bring them to repentance. Getting back to the Joe Pipe technology, like I was saying, I'm going to put a rush on and getting a manual put together and work with this brother in Italy to do the graphics. But anyway, I'll be posting the Joe Pipe 101 manual on the how-to on the Joe Pipe Tech Yahoo Groups forum, okay? So just wait till maybe Thursday, Friday. I try to have it done by Friday, a rough outline, and you can take it from there and run with it, because you might need it. Just to let you know that this level 4 flame has been discovered, that you can run the propane on the lowest setting, on the lowest air, and you get between 1700 to 1900 degrees Fahrenheit of superheated exhaust coming out of the pipe. And if there's time, I'd like to be able to take this and at least start drawing up stoves, practical emergency applications that can easily be duplicated. So you that have shops out there, metal shops, welders, cutters, you better start pulling your talent, your abilities together, and start getting the stuff up and running. You can always reach me at my Skype number, as long as the internet is running, at Joshua 8767. That's Joshua at 8767. The time is coming shortly that we may see the internet shut down, martial law imposed for a time. It's a wake-up call right across North America. I know back in 1986 in Winnipeg, I was just talking to another brother in Winnipeg tonight with the name of Ryan, and he had an excellent testimony about how he was a New Ager and the Lord came to him with a whole host of angels. Hi, Ryan. And he came to know the truth. And the time that we're coming into, that many people are going to get to know the truth. But God is real. God's going to look after His people. And through knowledge, wisdom, and understanding, like Joseph during the time of Egypt and the famine then, that God provided for His people. So this is not my technology, it's the Lord's. It's a simple technology, but the level 4 flame with propane will provide all your heating systems, cooling systems, everything. And the propane is 18% hydrogen around there. So just imagine what if you made wood gas, which is 100% hydrogen, what kind of system that you're going to have. You could be cooking your bacon and eggs right on the grill. You're right on the nice stainless steel surface. Click the handle. Now you can put in your tray of biscuits, and you got an oven just by clicking the handle. Or you can take a Joe pipe out and put it into a plenum over here and fire it up. Now you got hot water. Lots of stuff you can do. Very simple technology. Everyone who's thinking of survival, taking care of their family in the times coming up, you need this technology. And I'd like to hear back from you. Okay, but I got it here. I want to listen to the rest of what Steve Quayle has and Alex Jones has to say. And I'll suggest that you do the same.